365, push the button.
It's not safe in my hideaway. I think it's time for me to break out.
Now there's something about good loving that all you ladies should know. If you wanna light your man on fire, you gotta start it real slow. Keep on turning up the voltage till that man begin to glow, like you're switching on a light bulb. Watch the juice begin to flow. Now, ladies, I need you to work a little harder, okay? I want your inner shoes, baby. There you go. There you go. All right now. Hey, push the button. Give me something to let your baby know it ain't no sin. If you wanna feel the train a-coming, yo, baby.
Let's hear it one more time. That was act number 365.